Now, culture. What is culture? Is it only the nice clothes that we wear? Is it the different languages that we speak? That is all a part of culture, no doubt. Different types of yummy, yummy food that we eat. Somebody eats South Indian, somebody is Rajasthani, somebody eats Golgappa, somebody eats Pani Puri, somebody eats Sandesh, Mithai. Is it different food, different clothes, different types of, you saw in inauguration session, different types of dance. So what is exactly culture? We should know about our culture. So dance, music, food, clothes, is that all part of culture? Yes, that is all part of culture. But is culture only these things? This is there everywhere, no? In across the whole world, everybody has their own type of eating, dancing, talking, walking, everything they have. But culture is something more. So we are going to learn what Gurudev Swami Chinmayananji said about culture. It is not only these things. This is all part of culture. But one very important thing, see, these are 4 things very important for culture. When a group of people live together. So when you live in your family, there is a group of people, or you are living alone? Group of people. Like that, many, many families, when they live together, is it a group or not? Yes. So when groups of people live together for a long time, in one specific area, then the values they follow, that is called as culture. If in one place, suppose, let us say in South India, people who are speaking Tamil language, they are living in Tamil Nadu, that is one place. Then they are living there for a long time, group of people in a place for a long time. When they live like that, the values that they follow, that becomes their culture. That is called Tamil culture. Like that, we have Maharashtrian culture, we have, Assamese culture, we have Kashmiri culture. Every state has their own culture. But do you know one thing which binds all our states is Hindu culture. Do you know Lord Shiva is worshipped in the same way throughout the whole country? How is Lord Shiva worshipped? With Shivlinga, no? If you go to South India also, Lord Shiva is worshipped with Shivling. If you go to North also with Shivling. East also, West also, Shivling. If you see each other, everywhere they say Namaste. Yes. Some different places they may say, somewhere they say Jai Siya Ram, somewhere they will say Vanakkam. Like that, different Jai Shri Krishna, like the different methods of greeting may be there. But one thing common to everybody is what? Namaste. Like that, there are different cultures maybe in our country. Our country has accommodated all different types of cultures. But together, all of us are called what? Hindu culture. One culture we have, okay? So what are the 4 things for a culture? Group of people live for a long period of time in a particular place following certain values. In these 4 things, if you have to choose one thing, which is the most important? Values? Yes. Values is that which makes our culture. What do we really value? How we treat each other? How we live in the world? If we live with good values, then we are called cultured people. Who are cultured people? Not who wear only some cultured traditional dress. Suppose I give you 2 glasses. One glass is silver glass, one glass is plastic glass. If I just show to you 2 glasses, which one will you choose? You will choose silver glass. But suppose the silver glass has muddy water and the plastic glass actually has good tasty drink. Then which one will you choose? So you chose because of what? Because of what is inside, no? What is inside our mind? If our thoughts are good, our mind is good, pure. If our thoughts are wicked, our mind is wicked. Even if we wear very, very good clothes, but somebody who bullies other person, who hits the other person, who pinches the other person, will you like to be friend with that person? Even if that person wears latest clothes and nice goggles and has one nice phone and one rich car, will you still be friend with that person? If that person doesn't respect you? So what is more important? Values. What value we have in our mind. And Hindu culture has beautiful values. So we are going to explore that today. Okay. So culture mein what is most important is the values. Now tell me one thing. 4 children are born in one family. Will they behave the same way or they will behave differently? Differently. Correct. Twins also will behave differently. Why is it like that? Because each one is different. Yeah, sometimes they are brought up also in the same way in the family, but still each of them is very different. You know why? Because their thoughts are different. Correct. They interpret things differently because their thoughts are different from each other. And why their thoughts are different from each other? Because of their values and their samskar. What they really value. Suppose 2 brothers are there. One brother values love and other brother values anger. Then one will be kind, loving, speaks nicely. What will the other do? Will bully, will fight, will not share. Why? Because that is the value he is having or she is having. This person has different value. Do you know Mahabharat? Pandavas and Kauravas. They both belong to same family, Kuru dynasty. But who was the good one? Pandavas. 5 Pandavas. And who were the negative ones? Kauravas. And how many? 100. See, same family, but 2 different types of people. Why? Because their culture they are following is, their value system in their mind is different. So culture is our values, how we think. Positive values if we have, we are positive people. Negative if we have, we are negative people. And so, like that, when individuals live, all those individuals put together is called community. So if all of you here, 120 of you, let us say, you are sitting here. If all of you are good, then this whole community will be very good. If all of you are very inquisitive to learn, then everybody here is a good student. So community is made up of all the behavior of all the individuals. So that is called as Samskriti. What is the word for culture in our language, Sanskrit? Samskriti is culture. So Samskriti means what? Culture. Hindu culture means what? Hindu Samskriti. Our culture is Hindu Samskriti. And this culture differs from place to place. Why it differs from place to place? Because of the values. Not because of only the place, but because of the values of that people. So if somebody asks you, what exactly is culture? Define in one word. What will you say? Values. Or Samskriti is the Sanskrit word for it. Values is what we have to say.